Saturn, the most beautiful planet in our solar system. It is located about 1.43 billion kilometers from the Sun. Saturn is famous for its stunning ring system, made of ice, rock, and dust particles. A year on Saturn lasts about 29.5 Earth years, because it takes a very long time to orbit the Sun. Saturn is a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface. It is so light in density that it could float in water, if a giant enough ocean existed. Saturn has at least 140 moons, including Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Powerful winds and massive storms move across its atmosphere at extremely high speeds. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are made of billions of icy particles orbiting the planet. A quiet, elegant, and breathtaking giant, the jewel of the solar system. Mars, the red planet and one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system. It is located about 227.9 million kilometers from the Sun. A year on Mars lasts 687 Earth days, almost twice as long as Earth's year. Mars is known for its red color due to iron-rich dust covering its surface. It has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars also has the longest canyon, Valles Marineris, stretching thousands of kilometers across the planet. Scientists have found strong evidence that liquid water once flowed on Mars, suggesting it may have once supported life. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, both irregular and heavily cratered. The planet also experiences massive dust storms that can cover the entire surface for weeks or even months. Mars is one of the main targets for future human exploration and possible colonization. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, yet one of the most extreme worlds ever discovered. It is the closest planet to the Sun, located about 57.9 million kilometers away. A single year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days, making it the fastest planet to orbit the Sun. But here's the shocking part. One single day on Mercury is longer than its entire year. During the daytime, temperatures can rise to a deadly 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. And at night, the temperature crashes to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Its surface is covered with massive craters formed by violent asteroid impacts over billions of years. And even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet in the solar system. Scientists also believe that hidden deep inside its shadowed polar craters, there may still be frozen ice. Jupiter, the giant king of our solar system. It is located about 778.5 million kilometers from the Sun. Jupiter is so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. A year on Jupiter lasts about 12 Earth years, because it takes a long time to complete one orbit around the Sun. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for hundreds of years. It is a gas giant with no solid surface, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter also has at least 95 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Its magnetic field is extremely powerful, much stronger than Earth's. Jupiter acts like a protector of the inner planets, pulling or deflecting many asteroids with its gravity. A massive, stormy, and mysterious world, truly the king of planets. Venus, the most mysterious and extreme planet in our solar system, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size. But in reality, it is completely a world of fire and pressure. It is located about 108.2 million kilometers from the Sun. A year on Venus lasts 225 Earth days. But here comes the twist. One full day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus rotates extremely slowly and in the opposite direction, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. The surface temperature reaches around 465 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in the entire solar system. But the real shock is its atmosphere. Venus has a crushing pressure about 92 times stronger than Earth's atmosphere, enough to crush a human instantly. Thick clouds of carbon dioxide trap heat like a permanent greenhouse effect, turning Venus into a burning furnace. No moons, no rings, just a toxic, glowing world hidden under thick clouds. Neptune, the most distant and one of the most extreme planets in our solar system. It is located about 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. A year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years, meaning no human has ever completed a single Neptunian year. Neptune is known for the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. It is an ice giant with a deep blue color caused by methane in its atmosphere. Neptune has massive storm systems, including the Great Dark Spot, similar to a giant hurricane. It has at least 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest, moving in a retrograde orbit. Despite being so far from the Sun, Neptune still has an active and dynamic atmosphere. A cold, dark, stormy world at the edge of our solar system, silent yet incredibly powerful. Earth, the only known planet in the universe that supports life. It is located about 149.6 million kilometers from the Sun. Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one full orbit around the Sun, forming 1 year. Around 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, making it the blue planet. The atmosphere is mainly nitrogen and oxygen, perfectly balanced to support life. Earth has a strong magnetic field that protects it from harmful solar radiation. It also has one natural satellite, the Moon, which controls tides and stabilizes Earth's rotation. Earth is the only planet known to have liquid water, breathable air, and stable conditions for life, a rare and perfect balance, making it the most precious planet we know. Uranus, the mysterious ice giant of our solar system. It is located about 2.87 billion kilometers from the Sun. Uranus takes about 84 Earth years to complete one full orbit around the Sun, meaning 1 year here is longer than a human lifetime. It is unique because it rotates on its side, tilted at about 98 degrees, making it look like it rolls around the Sun. Uranus is an ice giant made mostly of water, ammonia, and methane, which gives it a blue-green color. Its atmosphere is extremely cold, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Uranus also has faint rings and at least 27 known moons, each orbiting in darkness and mystery. Winds on Uranus can reach very high speeds, creating quiet but powerful atmospheric motion. A sideways, frozen, and silent world, floating in deep space.